This is qualified person work on line voltage equipment. DIY viewers should use warning signs and stop criteria only. A wall switch, thermostat command, controller stop, or open breaker is not proof of a de-energized capacitor or cabinet. Identify every supply and restart path from the exact wiring diagram and service procedure. Shut down normally, isolate all sources, apply lockout and tagout where required, control stored in mechanical energy, prevent automatic restart, and wait for the fan to reach verified zero rotation. Before touching conductors, a qualified person verifies absence of voltage with appropriately rated equipment. Inspect meter, leads, probes, jacks, fuses, category and voltage ratings, then prove the tester on a known source, test all required points, and prove it again. Follow the equipment and capacitor manufacturer discharge method and wait time. Never short terminals with a screwdriver or wire. After the controlled discharge, verify zero voltage again at the relevant terminals before disconnecting or handling the component. Record the complete capacitor nameplate, run, start, or dual section, capacitance for each section, tolerance, AC voltage, frequency or duty, temperature and safety markings, part number, and terminal identification. Wire color, shape, and physical size do not identify a terminal. Preserve wiring traceability with the approved diagram, labels, and a clear photo before disconnection. Use insulated tools and approved terminal handling. Do not pull wires, touch bare terminals, or allow loose conductors to contact the chassis. Capacitance measurement is de-energized and normally electrically isolated from the circuit. Other components can distort an in-circuit reading. Once the safe state exists, select the correct input jacks and capacitance range, connect across the relevant isolated section, avoid metal contact, and allow the reading to settle. Compare the result with the exact capacitor nameplate tolerance or manufacturer specification. There is no universal percentage. Evaluate each section of a dual capacitor separately, and treat an unstable, borderline, overrange, or uncertain result as a stop for qualified evaluation. Say capacitance within tolerance, not guaranteed good. A multimeter result does not prove leakage, insulation resistance, dielectric integrity, ESR, internal heating, or performance at rated AC voltage and temperature. Ohms mode beeps or needle kick behavior are not universal pass or fail methods. Bulging, rupture, oil leakage, burned terminals, melted insulation, corrosion, or loose connections are shutdown conditions, but normal appearance does not prove health. Do not puncture, smell, or barehand a leaking unit. Old oil-filled capacitors may require PCB identification and regulated handling. Replacement must match the manufacturer-approved capacitance, tolerance, AC motor duty, frequency, temperature, safety class, terminals, mounting, and clearance. A higher voltage rating is acceptable only when approved and all other characteristics match. Never substitute lower voltage, arbitrary microfarads, DC only, or general-purpose electrolytic parts. Release a safe service passport, equipment model and diagram, all sources, isolation and prove test prove record, discharge method, capacitor identity, wiring traceability, measured value and exact tolerance, test limitations, replacement specification, root cause checks, disposal route, restored grounds, barriers, covers, guards and interlocks, and qualified functional test plan.